Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, all signs. Okay, messages, energy check-ins, and prediction reading. Okay, so syempre, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayo maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may mga tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganun din po pagdating kay Perception of Light, and sa mga naghahanap ng healer, kay Kuya Ding. Naman po tayo magme-message. And yes, don't forget to follow our FB page. Okay, so yeah, ang ating mga all-in-one evil eye items is nandito pa. Meron pa, habol-habol na lang. Okay, yung iba naman is made to order, lalo na to. Okay, ang ating evil eye bracelet. So pagdating sa promo, yung may freebies, tanong kayo kay admin, okay, kung meron pa. Hindi pa ako na-update ni admin kung meron pa ba. So tingnan nyo na lang din pagdating dun sa freebies. Okay. So if ever gagawa kayo ng purchase, no, we need your real name. Okay, every time. Yeah, kinukuha naman ni admin yan. And important, kung inyong ireregalo, ibibigay, okay, kailangan namin po yung pangalan ng reregaluhan or nung pagbibigyan nyo, ha? Okay, so again, kung mayroon pang mga ibang katanungan, mag-message na lang po, okay, sa ating FB page, Fias Tarot. Be careful sa mga gumagaya ng ating page dahil ang dami nila. Oo, yung name ko, yung picture, talaga naman, napakagagaling. Oo. Okay? So, okay. Tingnan nyo na lang po ha yung followers para makita nyo kung ano yung legit or yung hindi. Okay? Sa followers nyo po makikita kung totoo. Kung ako nga or yung si admin ang kausap nyo. Okay? So, yeah. Let's start. Air signs. Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. So, ano ba ang message for you? Okay, air signs, Gemini, Libra, and Aquarius. Okay, the King of Swords, the Nine of Swords. Ooh, who is this? Iba sa inyo may mga parang nai-stress. Okay, or someone is thinking of you a lot. They're silent, actually, they're silent, the King of Swords. They're always thinking of, thinking a lot, no, pagdating sa'yo, maybe, because you're an air sign. What's with this King of Swords? Ano tong King of Swords? Yeah, the Four of Swords, someone who is not talking. Meron ditong isip ng isip sa'yo. Okay, or meron kang iniisip ng iniisip. Someone younger. There's this person, someone younger. Okay, na pwedeng iniisip ka niya araw, gabi. They're not talking. Okay? They're not talking with you. Bata to. Sino man to? Ha? Air signs. May mga natatakot rin na kausapin ka. Bakit? So, what's next? Ano pa? 4 air signs. Tingnan natin. Okay, the Knight of Swords in reversed. Rash decisions. Avoid rash decisions. Kasi lalong mapapabigat, no? Yung mga gawain. If ever, madodoblihan ka pa. Parang ganon. Okay? And someone wants to talk talaga. Pwedeng Capricorn. Someone wants to talk. Someone wants to see you. Yeah. Like, burden na. Kung hindi ka niya nakikita, hindi ka niya nakakausap, yeah, nagiging burden na to. Mabigat na sa damdamin. Okay. Yeah. Someone is obsessing, thinking of you, day and night. Yes. Yeah, the Four of Pentacles in reverse. Yeah, the Six of Wands. Feeling nito parang wala ka na daw pakialam sa kanya. Kung sino man to, ha? Okay, so I think some of you, ang iniisip niya is you're getting attention from other people. You're getting at the Lovers universe. I don't know if this someone is may nangyaring separation sa inyo. Okay? Or hindi lang talaga kayo nagkakaroon ng connection nitong taong to. So that is why. Oo. Okay? So meron din ako nakikita rito na pwedeng gastos. Yung parang bigla ang gastos, or sabihin natin kahit hindi naman pinag-isipan, gagastos at gagastos. Okay? Some of you pwedeng may mga ang tawag dito, magre-ready, okay? May mga magre-ready pagdating sa isang ang tawag dyan, sitwasyon na parang may kasamang legalization. Some of you pwedeng magre-ready ka para sa isang exam or test, parang ganyan. Okay? Like aabutan ka ng umaga kakaaral. May mga preparations akong nakikita dito actually. May mga preparations. May mga preparations na gagawin yung mga air signs. Yeah. Excessive thoughts. May naririnig akong ganon, excessive thoughts. Someone wants to reach out. Someone wants to open their door. Okay, for you. Someone wants to get your attention. May mga nagseselos dito actually. Okay? Yeah, you have this past person is still thinking of you, wanting to give or wanting to have a second chance with you. Fresh, parang clean, fresh slate. Yeah. Someone is still like, ang tawag dyan, parang stuck. Okay, stuck. May mga gustong sabihin itong taong to, pero hindi nila sinasabi. Meron silang hidden na mga thoughts or messages pagdating sa'yo. Okay? Meron silang ganun. Some of them, they're just waiting to hear from you. Yeah, the 9 of Wands. Someone is too guarded. Okay? So, next. Okay, fire signs. Aries, Leo, and Sag. Yan, okay. So, ano ba ang message for you? Energy check-ins and prediction for fire signs. Let's see. Fire signs. Okay. The 4 of Cups. There's a water sign who is problematic. Oo. Okay, or binibigyan ka niya ng isipin. Yeah, the 8 of Pentacles. In reversed. Meron kasing hindi nagiging patas dito or fair. Meron ding energy na parang hindi magkaroon ng takbo or ng usad kasi someone or something is hindi nabibigyang focus. Meron din ditong parang nawawala ng gana sa trabaho or may mawawala ng gana sa trabaho. Some of you have to sabihin natin parang mag-file ng leave para makapahinga. Para makapahinga. Or meron na ditong parang natotoxic ka na pagdating sa trabaho and pwedeng namimili na, no, ng pwedeng lilipatan. Okay? boss man, mamimili na ng ibang pagtatrabahuhan, or yeah, the environment is too toxic na, parang ganyan. Okay, it's not working out, parang ganon. Yeah, the King of Wands universe. Pagpapalit ng boss if ever, or ng management if ever. Okay, there's an issue with the boss. Okay, what else? Okay, the Chariot. This is choosing something, left or right, this way or that way. Yeah, the Page of Pentacles. There is a situation na parang nakikita ko sa'yo is magkakaroon ng kaunting delay. Okay? I think merong paparating na new opportunity. Okay? Some of you have to may energy rito na may chance na makapag-work abroad, pero ikaw itong mamimili or pag-iisipan pa. Okay? Pag-iisipan pa. Kasi syempre, may mga may iwan ka. Parang ganon. Pero, yeah, I have to save or maging practical. Parang ganyan. Okay? Ano tong Page of Pentacles in reverse? The Star. Yeah, this is an opportunity na pwedeng dumating ng minsan lang. Okay? Some of you manifested this. Pero nung na-manifest na, parang, ay, ano kaya? Parang hindi ready. Okay? Yeah, the Ace of Cups is here. Alam nyo, may mga energy rito na parang, buti pa, si fire sign, parang ganun. May mga maiinggit, may mga, ay, buti pa siya, parang ganun. Okay? Pero kung ano man ang maging decision mo, okay, magiging okay naman. The Star is here. Ang sinasabi lang siguro dito, if you need to choose, if you need to decide, huwag ka magmamadali. Okay, huwag ka magmamadali. Okay, the Seven of Wands and the Three of Swords. Okay, so meron ba ditong nagbibigay ng pain sa'yo? Kasi hindi ka niya kinakausap, they block you. Some of you, meron ditong magre-reject ng separation. May makikipaghiwalay actually. Or pwedeng ikaw, fire sign, makikipaghiwalay pero hindi sila papayag. Okay? That's specific. Or the Seven of Wands. Okay. Yeah, the Three of Pentacles. Some of you, pwede kasing may mga iba pang plano itong taong to, kaya hindi niya gugustuhin na makipag-separate muna. Okay? Ang dami namang third energies. Some of you, kung merong energy na nagbibigay sa'yo ng pain or something like may nag-block sa'yo, may nag-block. May nang-block or pwedeng may mambla-block sa'yo mambablock. Ang rason nito is pwedeng may iba. Okay? Pwedeng may iba to. Hindi nila sasabihan kung anong tunay, kung anong meron. Yes. I'm sorry. Yeah, the Six of Pentacles in reverse. Hindi nila ibibigay kung anong tunay, kung anong dapat mong marinig. Okay? Na talagang maghihinakit ka dito Sasaktan ka syempre. Ano yan? Yan, the Ten of Pentacles. So, huwag ka manghinayang dito actually. Huwag ka manghihinayang kung mangyari man yan. Oo. Gawin mo tong blessing in disguise. Kung mayroong makikipaghiwalay sa'yo. Blessing in disguise. Okay? So, next. Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Okay. So, anong message for you? Water signs. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Message, energy check-ins, and prediction. Yeah, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Okay, water signs. Okay, the Five of Swords. The Sun. May mga mananabutahe sa'yo, water signs. Fire sign, a water sign, a Leo. May mga sisira ng plano mo. Actually. Yeah. Tingnan natin itong Five of Swords. What's with this? Yeah, the Judgment. Ito yung mga taong walang nangyayari sa buhay nila. Actually. Okay? Ito yung mga taong walang nangyayari sa buhay nila, like paulit-ulit. The King of Pentacles. I'm seeing energy ng progress. Yeah. Okay? So, kung sino man itong mga to, you have to avoid them. Scorpio, nandyan rin. Okay? So, what else for water signs? Okay, the Three of Swords in reversed. Some of you, kailangan nyo nang umalis sa isang sitwasyong paulit-ulit na at bigyan na ng clarity yung sarili. Bigyan na ng kasiyahan yung sarili. Like peace of mind. Parang ganon. Three of Swords in reversed. And the Seven of Swords. Someone is breadcrumbing or playing safe. An air sign. Ano tong Three of Swords na naka-reversed? What's with this? Yeah, the Justice in reversed. May mga nakatago dito, ha? Yung parang feeling nyo, hindi siya gumagawa ng something na mali, pero magaling lang talagang magtago kung ano man to. Pwedeng Libra, air sign, Gemini, Libra, and Aqua. Okay? So maybe they doesn't want to disappoint you. Parang ganyan. Okay? May mga tinatago na kailangan lang talagang itago kasi ayaw nilang ma-disappoint ka. May mga ganong energy. Kailangan nilang gawin yon para hindi ka ma-disappoint or what. Okay? Ano tong Seven of Swords? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. I don't know. Kasi ang nakuha ko dito is wala namang mangyayari kung sasabihin sa'yo or wala namang mangyayari or magbibigay lang ng something na parang hindi maganda pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay? Some of them, it's talking about their career, their money. Parang ganun Yeah. Someone's like feeling left out or napapag-iwanan. Parang ganun. Ang dami. Ang daming energy. So, what else? Meron dito ako nakikitang third party involvement na hindi pa rin natatapos. Okay? Some of you, you are karmically tied with this person. This is karmic. Okay? So, Three of Pentacles. Okay. What's with the Three of Pentacles? Okay, the Strength in reverse. Something is giving you an energy na nakaka-drain. Nawawala ka sa ruta. Okay, nawawala ka sa ruta. May mga taong hindi believe sa'yo actually. Okay, may mga taong hindi believe sa'yo. Yung parang talagang gagawin pa lang mahina yung loob mo kung ano man ang meron. Sisirain yung decision mo kung ano man. Okay, ano tong mga to? Ano tong Three of Pentacles in reversed? The Page of Cups. your emotion, pwedeng ito yung parang makakasira eh. Pwedeng kung kakagat ka sa mga ganun na salita, sa mga ganun na opinion ng iba. Okay? Being open emotionally is may chance na makasira sa kung ano man ang meron sa mga gusto mong gawin. Okay? Yeah, be the Queen of Swords. Okay? Be the Queen of Swords. This is someone is sabihin nating, yes, sabihin mo kung anong gusto mong sabihin, pero I don't care. I don't give an F. Okay? I don't give an F. Siya yun. May chance pa na kaya niyang mag-cut off ng mga sitwasyon or ng mga taong hindi okay pagdating sa energy niya. Marunong siyang mag-cut off. Kita mo naman naka-ready yung swords niya. Yung sword niya. Okay? Matalino siya actually. Alam niya kung ano ang dapat, kung ano mga kailangang alisin, at kung anong decision ang dapat gawin. Okay? Hindi ito emotional. Okay? So, there. So, wag kayong papa-apekto emotionally sa mga pwedeng sabihin ng iba. Kasi talagang yun lang naman ang kaya nila. Okay? So, next. Earth signs, Taurus, Virgo, and Capricorn. Okay, anong meron? Anong message for you? Okay, Earth signs. May mga nagkaka-crush sa mga Earth signs. Okay. So, anong meron for you, Earth signs? Okay, yeah, the Nine of Pentacles. Some people see you as attractive, independent. Okay? Lalo na pagdating sa kaperahan. Stable. Someone who is stable. Okay, the Nine of Pentacles. You're the Two of Pentacles. Tingin sa'yo ng mga tao is alam mo kung saan mo gagamitin yung pera mo. Kaya ka sabihin nating handa financially. Okay? May mga tao ritong ginagaya ka, kinokopya ka kung paano ka yeah, like in general, kung anong meron sa'yo, ginagaya nila. Some of them, kino-compare nila yung sarili nila sa'yo. Parang ganon. Ano tong Two of Pentacles? Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. Ooh, this is nice. Alam mo, Earth signs, darating at darating yung punto, no, na ikaw pa ang mamimili sa kung ano ang blessing na tatanggapin mo. Sa sobrang dami. Something will come to a fruition. Like, yeah, ang ganda nito. Okay? Yung pwedeng mabili mo, anything, like, hindi ka na para tumingin sa tag. Mga ganun eh. Okay, ito kung makikita nyo, Wheel of Fortune. Ikaw pang mamimili. Bahay ba? Pera ba? Abundance ba? Kung ano man. Kung anong gusto mo, yun ang darating eh. Parang ganun. And yeah, pwedeng sabay-sabay rin. Like, okay, ito muna. Oo, hindi ko kaya eh. Hindi kaya ng powers ko. Parang ganyan. Ito muna. Focus muna ako dito. Yeah. Some of you, nakakita ko ng energy rito na pwedeng merong mana. Yes, merong mana na matatanggap yung iba. Siyempre, we're talking about materials. Okay, we're talking about materials here. So what else for Earth signs? The Page of Wands in reverse. What's that? The Eight of Wands. Someone wants your attention. A fire sign. A younger fire sign. They want your attention. They want a communication with you. May emosyon to, actually. parang nafo-fall, lalo na kung walang komunikasyon. Kung hindi kayo nagko-communicate ng taong to, yeah, they're starting to fall for you. Okay? Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sag. They want your attention. Anong meron dito sa Page of Wands, Universe? May mga sisimulan rin dito ha, mga earth signs na pwedeng i-delay nyo muna. I don't know why. Yeah, see, the Ace of Wands. Someone is attracted. Someone. Pero nakikita ko, they're the one who is guarded. Hindi sila nakikipag-communicate. They're guarded. Pero yeah, na-attract sila sa'yo. Someone younger. Okay? Takot lang to ma-reject actually. So, kung hindi man sila fire sign, okay lang naman. Baka meron silang fire sign sa kanilang birth chart. So, what else for you, earth signs? Okay, the Eight of Cups, Universe. Someone wants a new beginning with you. A water sign. Yeah, the Ace of Swords, Universe. Slowly but surely. Ay, nang naririnig ko. Slowly but surely. The Chariot, may chance na lumayo to. Pwedeng Cancer. Ano tong Ace of Swords, Universe? Actually, wala silang intention or wala silang plano or kung ano man, pero gusto nilang bumalik sa'yo. Yeah, the Five of Cups. Ayaw nila na magkakaroon ng regrets or, yeah, pwedeng nangihinayang. Okay, nangihinayang. Yes, siyempre, manghihinayang ka talaga dito. Kaya ganon. The Queen of Wands. They find you attractive. They find you independent. Parang ganyan eh. Okay? Anyway, so there. Yun ang ating reading for all signs. Again, yeah, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page. Thank you. Bye.